cardio machines. First, you're going to start with taking your feet on the outside of the belt and pressing the green quick start button. Once the belt starts moving, you can go ahead and step on. You can use the up and down arrows to control your speed, or you can press the numbers by pressing like 3, 5, select. You want your elevation at least a 1.0 because the belt is doing some of the work for you. To get it to turn off, you can press the pause button and the belt's going to slow down and then eventually it will come to a stop. Now for the elliptical, it's kind of like a standing bike. So you're going to step on and start pedaling forward. Press the green quick start button. A lot of people think that by having it at a 1, it's going to be a lot easier, but I recommend putting it at a level 3 or 5 because I feel like the resistance kind of gives you some control. Alright, and to get it to turn off, you can just slow down, come to a stop, and then it automatically will shut off. For the bike, you're going to adjust the seat by pulling up on this yellow knob, and then you can move the seat up or down. Kind of give it a good jiggle, make sure it's locked in place. Then go ahead and have a seat. Like the elliptical, you're going to start pedaling first, and keep on pedaling. Once you stop pedaling on the bike and the elliptical, it will shut off. So, for this, I noticed I have a little bit too much of a bend, so I'm going to come up a little bit. There we go. So on the downward stroke, you need to have a slight bend in it. Just right about like that. So you're pedaling, you press the green start button, and then you can adjust your level to make it harder or easier to pedal. All right, and that is how you use the cardio machines. When you are cleaning them, we ask that you don't spray directly on the heart rate monitor or the panel. Spray the red, then wipe those off. As for like the seat, you can spray the seat and all that good stuff. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thank you.